Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikki 3 times. So today, this video is going to be about this outfit that I saw at the swap meet. Alright, so it's like hot pink. I thought it'd be perfect for a bottle girl look. And it has like a jacket type crop. So this whole makeup look is going to be overload of pink. I'm going to try everything on after I did my makeup. So yeah, so this is the thing for today. This is what we're going for. Right? I thought this would be perfect for the club. Like, this makes me want to go back to work. Yeah, so I already did my brows, and then I'm just going to just tell you what products I'm using, and then just go from there. So taking my NYX eyeshadow base in the shade ESB03. I'm going to just put this on my eyelid, and I've never not set this before, so we're just going to try something new because I want, oh, hold on, let me fix this lighting. The thing is, my room is black, so light doesn't really do too well. I got it right one day. So I'm only going to set the top part so my transition color will fade out. It won't be stuck. And just the edges. Okay. Now I'm going to do one eye at a time. Okay. Just keep this eye closed. Alright, so taking my Morphe 35B palette, I'm going to go in with this hot pink shade right there. Sorry about my dog. Alright, so you see when I look up, because I have hooded eyes, I felt like I went high, but I need to go just a little bit higher, just right above here. So I'm going to add some more. And since I'm not going to do a wing per se, I'm going to take this card and then get my angle right. Yes. So to blend out this hot pink shade, I'm going to use this one right here. It's like a softer pink. Just go right on the edges. Alright, so to add some depth, I'm going to take this shade and put it right in the crease. Just a little bit, but because I want this to be more of a monochromatic look, like a one eyeshadow shade type of look. Is this a crease? Lord. You can also add brown if you want it to be a little bit darker. So I'm going to do the left eye real quick and then I'll come back. Okay, so now that we have both eyes done, I'm going to take a black and just smudge the waterline. I'm using a black that's in the palette. I'm not doing a wing. I'm just going to follow my lash line and then kind of like fade it out. So to moisturize, I'm taking this Clinique Moisture Surge and slap this on her face. So next I'm going to take these e.l.f. booster drops. Put this on. Now I've learned with this to let this dry first because the primer won't stick to it. Okay, so now that that's dry, I'm going to take my e.l.f. Putty Primer. I'm starting to really like this. It's like, I don't know why I was sleeping. Like, why y'all didn't tell me? I'm mad at y'all. It just smooths everything. Like, pores, where? Texture, who? Never matter. So I think I'm going to, let me see. Okay. Last time I mixed these two together and they were heaven. But today I'm just going to use the e.l.f. Moisturizing Foundation Stick. I think it's a little too orange for me. I don't know. I don't like my face warm. I like it more on the neutral side. So maybe I should add. And I feel like this one is just slightly pink. So maybe I'm gonna add a little bit. Oh God, I feel like it's so orange. Hopefully it calms down. Okay, my hair is not letting me be great today. Y'all, I'm about to look. Oh, this is why I don't try nothing new. Not that this is new, but you know, you learn and you upgrade. Like, I remember why I stopped using this. Like, hopefully I can use like a more neutral powder, kind of calm this down. I am oompa loompa ready. I don't know, maybe it's not that bad. What y'all think? So next I'm gonna take my e.l.f. Camouflage Concealer in the shade Deep Cinnamon. I've been loving this. But as y'all know, if you do use this, don't let it sit. Like, get to it, okay? Because it's going to be stuck. And you're going to be mad talking about this concealer ain't good. You just can't let it sit. So you already know my little concoction. I just switched jars. I like this jar better. The contour, I'm going to take my, who is this? I believe this, oh, Black Radiance in the shade, wrong side. In the shade Espresso. And I'm just going to Now, last time I went down the sides of my nose, but this time I'm not because it got crazy. I don't know, I feel like it was getting, not muddy, but I don't know, maybe that color is just too cool tone for me. I don't know. I'm not really used to cream contour, but it looks good. We'll see. And this is my MAC Studio finish and mineralized skin finish in the shade Dark. Now I use this to sweep away, pat and sweep. So this just blends in, melts everything away. To set my whole face, should I use L'Oreal or Lancome? I'm gonna start with the L'Oreal first, and this is the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder. It's a neutral tone. Maybe we need to use neutral because yeah. In the shade in 7, because that foundation played our lives, but it's all good. I'm gonna take my Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette and I'm gonna mix these two. I don't want to buy a new pan because I really don't use this one. If I buy a new one, I'm not gonna need the other ones. So I don't know. I just need to sell this one by itself. Yes, much better. Yes. I'm gonna take the same color to do my nose. Now I like to use this one first to kind of give me the shape because it's close to my skin tone, so it doesn't like, if I mess up I can like still blend it out some. Okay, so let's do under the eyes first before blush. All right, so I'm gonna take that same pink color and just, I'm scared that it's gonna half fall out. So I think I'm gonna mix these two. And this is by e.l.f. Y'all, e.l.f. be coming through for me. Quality products, cheap price. Can't ask for nothing better. Now I'm gonna do heavy on the blush only because I like blush. You know, the clubs, you gotta do a little bit more because you kind of can't see. So if you feel like you put too much, which I did it, I'm just gonna blend it out. You know, it's not harsh. Just blend it. Yes. Oh, this is like Barbie, 80s Barbie vibes. You feel me? Y'all, lately I really haven't been feeling highlight, but I am gonna do an inner corner eye. Little highlight, and I don't know. Okay, y'all, for some reason I cannot find my pink highlighters. So I'm either going to take this duo. I featured this before my palette. I can't remember the name. Top's gone. It's just a mess. And then I have Pink Diamonds by e.l.f. Let me put this one on first, and then let's see where it goes. Okay, we can work with this. I'm so pissed. I'm gonna dust just a little bit, to kind of. You know, Jackie, I know she'd be like the inner. That's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna keep my brow bone clear. So you guys can either go nude or the matching. I think I'm gonna try the matching first. This is also by e.l.f. Is this an e.l.f. face today? And I bought this a while ago. I just never wore it. You know, you buy stuff because you feel like one day I'm gonna need it. Here's that day. And this is matte. And it's in the shade Berry Sorbet. Now, I don't know if I like it on me because I don't know if I like matching lips with matching eyes. So when I put the outfit on, I may change it, okay? So don't judge. But let me spray my face real quick. This is also by e.l.f. So that lipstick was out, all right? So this is NYX's lipstick in the shade Gem. Now it's sheer, you know what I mean? So it kind of just gives you slightly washed a pink. There we go. And I'm just gonna put like a little gloss on it. And this is my friend's gloss by Artistry. I don't know if he still sells it or not. They do have a little light on it. Okay, so much better. You guys think I need highlight? Only because I don't have the one I needed, but all right. So if y'all have, you know, some cleavage, you can let this down. I got a little lace bra on me, but I don't have any cleavage, so I like to just keep it buttoned up. But yeah, let me show the outfit. Let me show my makeup first, and then I'll show you guys the outfit, okay? So this is the look. Really simple, cute Barbie. Now let me show you this outfit, girl. Okay. Make your booty look good. Let me move the shirt away. So yeah, so imagine doing bottles like oh my god, this is so cute. So you can wear it down. I just don't have no cleavage, you know what I'm saying? So just imagine, let me pull this down. So there you go. You can do it like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, girl, I'm gonna get tips off this outfit. So this outfit altogether was like $30, so not bad at all. But yeah, if you like this tutorial, then leave a thumbs up, comment below. If you like simple looks like this, I think they're great. They're easy. I can do more like monochrome looks or one color type of looks, nothing that's too crazy. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.